You open for Pakuan?
No.
No? They put Pakuan there.
Yeah.
We should put gas.
We go put gas.
It's already
Ito.
empty.
But we can open.
Okay.
Okay, I'll drive for her.
Okay. I go here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's burning here.
Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Saan tayo? Mama, Pab. Mananang tilad, Mama, Pab.
Di ba muna pan-drive ko nagsiminto?
Ah.
Paano matapos?
Ah.
Let's go.
Go.
Yeah, we're going.
Wadya lang may kwarta. This motorcycle is in not good condition.
But it's functioning.
Yeah,
So
but it's still functioning.
we still have to keep her alive.
Yeah, but
Till it dies.
it needs a mechanic.
How much is it, the mechanic?
I don't know. Maybe it's a little bit, but they are too lazy to go to mechanic. But it's a little bit okay.
You can go after the beach.
The mechanic, yeah, you can. We have Dito Bryce motorcycle. It's same function as this. It has more function. It has a charging port, something like that. Waterproof. But I don't want to be in the camera.
You already on the videos, don't worry. Too late. Why you're so shy?
I'm not properly dressed or something.
We don't care about that.
No! Are you okay?
Yes, but it was like I saw myself inside the mood.
In my work, I am driving off-road vehicle. I go to the mountain. But do you know the Toyota
Yes.
Hilux? Wait, I'll show you later. The one that I drive. This has a no grip motorcycle, or it's slippery because
Bari malaw kami pakwan kung si kamok
Wala ko
ma-deliver
nakwan.
mo kami na dyan.
It's hot in this side too.
no, it's just the sun. Carmela, do you want to drive also?
She will.
Pero wag sa
Siyempre.
But this side of no asfalto is difficult. So after we do this one, yes, because sabes que casi nos quedamos en el barro, ¿no?
¿Tú conduciendo o él?
Él aquí, lo he grabado todo.
No, pinandremos sa puti, maglalawin kayo dalawa.
These are tasty sandías. ¿Cómo se llama?
Pakuan.
Pakuan. Tasty. Masarap.
Matamis ka po? Pakwan?
Yes, Carmela told me it's the last one of season.
Yeah, last season.
We get so much. We get like 10. I love pakwan and I'm thirsty.
Yeah, come on.
You can.
Oh, I'm going first then. You were waiting for me? You
No, I
okay.
I just don't want to.
You don't come?
Oh, I'm just sitting.
Why?
I'm just sitting.
Okay,
I don't want to stand.
You stay in Bernice? Yes. Go.
Hello po.
Hello po. Ay, me ha dado con el gesto en
Yeah.
el tatu. Hi po.
Nakaka-relate ng Tagalog.
Kunti po. Kunti po. Kunti.
Upo kayo. Oo.
Hindi, Pangasinan, hindi po.
Tagalog.
Tagalog, bit. English, yes.
Pula mo mare.
Upo kayo muna.
Okay.
Vamos a coger primero.
Oh, tengo hambre.
Si aún no tenemos,
Tengo hambre con sed.
voy a preguntar.
Have a seat. Bala ko, have a seat. Come on. Sit beside me.
Ulit papoy da. Ah, papoy da. Naliway.
Ilang days na kayo dito sa Philippines?
Visiting.
Visiting.
Yes.
For how many weeks? Weeks?
Till September.
Till September.
July.
You arrived since 11.
Yeah, 11 July. Last week. Last week. It's beautiful here. It's my first time sa Philippines. Hmm.
You want also pakwan?
Yeah, Bernice.
Wala man na ilag di abong yun
Basta mo binagawa ko. Yes. Meron po kunin.
Has a lot of beads. Don't touch that beads, ha?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
He's going inside. Yes, it's
Dadagday siya atol. Dadagday siya atol ko. Magkatalos dahil sa
Yan kayong pakwan.
Galing. Ay, wow. Eat tayo pakwan. Let's eat pakwan. Wow. Yum, yum. Take the first bite, Miriam. And you do the testing.
You do the testing.
I don't. Let me record you. Fresh from the farm.
Dito wala
Sa kala nyo tanay.
wala mo dito tatandang sa Rodel Duara. Nang pinalda ko ni manang kabosan.
Siya bubulong. See?
Ina kasi
Oh,
na
okay.
ka. Diyan tadalas ko pa.
Labo.
Pala sa kila ko katon pinalaklaniman ko. Wajak kami lang mo burbur ni mo irap mo pa ay. Mangi pala mo burbur. Ito ara ya. Pinala daw waiting ko pa. Oh, may kilama na may
Nananang nang kasi di manaitan. Ano jaya agad mananang.
malaba laray.
Fresh.
Hmm.
Hindi ba rin nasariwan karate?
Come on.
Hindi malutulan talaga.
Ah,
May ano eh. May natilag di tan, nga pulan tan, di tatulong.
Akit labalabay dati ubusan no bilang makatatawa ira. Baga dalawa na katawa yan ira.
Laba to, nanti gabay na. Ang may problema mo.
Sa sumia si paano ang mo makatay ayat dagtan ng ulang supin.
Dito talaga tumulo siya.
Pwede ang tanay, yung kami may tuloy, wasi ikyo. Ito,
Bukas mo.
kung laro diyang karawan kami problema mo.
Kami kita na yan, basta yun, nakulitan. Kapag tsakaran mo, panimba tsakaran mo sa
Tira la cámara. ¿Ya?
Isaliwang ko yung mga tingmay. Biljan ko.
Ay, wala Virgin Malin mo yan.
Hemos ido a una de las plantaciones de sus tierras y le están haciendo la plantación de arroz. Le he preguntado cuánto les paga al día. Me ha dicho 200 pesos. Serían como poco más de 2 euros al día, pero creo que les incluye igual merienda y comida y tal. No sé si es justo, pero aquí en el campo de Filipinas es así.
What? Oh?
Can I see your pet? Okay. This is a little bird. Yes. Wow. Tiene mascota. How much time you with this one? 1 month? Yes.
Na bird. Kasi yan inaano.
Bird.
Bird.
Isboyan mo to, ate.
Hi bird. I'm Nani. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Mama.
Hawak mo.
Yay.
Thank you. Bye-bye bird. Uwi na kami. Bird, ayaw mo wakat. Bye-bye bird.
Thank you. Bird. Bye. Thank you.
Abal-balang so kakwal. Nabige sa bulok-bulok.
Después tú, ¿eh? Hey. Uy, uy.
Ay, kagawaan.
Your legs is tusok. Satu orang. Chopstick kamu.
Ay, kamu, ay.
Your leg is chopstick kamu. Doy, ano na kami, Doy? Ano na kami? Tabi dyan to. Ano na kami? Tabi dyan to. Okay.
Eh. Vamos, más rápido. Mabilis.
Vamos a ver, bilisan.
Ano ko wala sa pabayaran? Pero may mag-isip na mo siya. Tama ba yan ang gold dami? Mga pagka-driver terminal to. Kabatungan. Kamahirap.
Doy, sila nagdadrop po na.
Sarap ng pagkuhan, ganyan?
Opo. One of the best I tried.